Alright folks, we got no heat on downstairs unit. I hear the inducer fan going. I don't hear any flames or anything. So, okay. I have two upflows in the attic. Just move this box. Get my headlamp. Let's get this guy on here. Give some lighting. And here's my lamp and the drill. And these are gone. It's cold to the touch. So let me put my gloves on, my headlamp, and resume this. Okay. So, let's see what's going on. It's probably gonna be follow this guy. This is the top switch. Just gonna try again. Blower's on. It already has tape on the door, so I don't need to tape the door switch. Piece of paper here. So blower's on, so that means there should be more blinking. That's a code. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be, like I said, the igniter. Have 3 blinks. Let me get this going. Okay, so it's giving the 3 blinks. One, two, three. So that's pressure switch stuck open. So I took it out. Cleaned it, I cleared it and everything. Put it back on. I'm gonna reset the unit and hopefully that gets it going because it's definitely closed. I checked it with my meter, I checked continuity with my meter, and it is closed right now. So let me reset the unit and see if the igniter comes on and everything comes on. And it was just a simple, because I noticed that this hose up here was broken, so I think it being broken, it was just sucking air from out here and it wasn't creating the pressure from the inducer fan to be able to close that pressure switch. So let me reset it and I'll get back to you. Okay, so the only thing I found so far was from that pressure switch. The rubber tube was broken, as you can see. It might have been just pulling air, like regular air from out here, and not letting it create that suction in there so it can close the pressure switch and let the igniter turn on and let the flame and all that kind of yada yada yada. So right now I got the thermostat off and I shut off the power for a little bit, for like 5 or 10 minutes. Turn the power back on, and I'm gonna go downstairs and turn on the thermostat again. Make sure it comes on. Hopefully it comes on. We have no other problems, and then we can go ahead and finish up here and close everything up. Like I said, make sure everything's all good, running up tidy how it should, and we should be good. So I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Let me make sure it turns on. Gotta go downstairs because I'm up in the second floor, up in the attic. So yeah. All right, so we reset it the unit. You can see. Alright, so we finished with that call. Everything went pretty smooth. Customer took care of the invoice, no issue. Yeah, so I left it up and running. Everything was working how it should. The only problem, like I said, it was that rubber tube. That's the only thing I could find that was cracked and broken. It looks like from the vibration and the time, because it looks like it's a pretty old unit. It looks to be at least minimum more than 3 years old. The other system they had, it looked a little bit newer. We'll be rescheduling with them to come by probably next week or week after, when it's a little bit warmer, so I can go ahead and do 2 AC checks on those, 2 AC tune-ups pretty much on those 2 systems they have, because she wanted me to check one today and then come back for the other one. So I just told her, hey, it's better for me to come back and do both of them at the same time. It'll save both of us time and money too. So yeah, so I will catch you guys on the next video. So